Okay, guys. Good morning, everybody. So let's get started with today's session. So before going today's session, I have a puzzle in my mind I want you to solve. In a tournament of World Cup, okay, 10 teams are participating. Okay, in the tournament, 10 teams are participating. Okay. So each team is going to play with other team exactly once. ప్రతి టీము ఇంకొక టీమ్ తో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ one time game ఆడతారు. Okay, each team is going to play exactly once. Okay, in the league stage, that is in the league stage. Okay, so 10 teams participate in Cricket World Cup. In the league stage, every team plays against every other team exactly once. Okay, if the winner is getting 2 points, loser does not get any point. If the match is tie, okay, there is a tie, okay, both teams will get 1 point. Okay, at the end of the league stage, so league stage at the end of the league stage, 4 teams promotes to the semi final. Okay, only 4 teams will promote to the semi final. Okay, the winner of the semi final, okay, the winner of the semi final will play the the final match. Okay, so yeah, so this is the thing. And one more condition, the condition is this: if at the league stage 2 teams end up with the same point, okay, well, league stage lo rendu teams same points vachayi anukondi, let's say ipudu 5 ఈ last 2 teams ki same points vachayi anukondi, because to get into the semi final only 4 teams should be there. If these 2 teams are end up with the same points, okay, team which is having better run rate, that will promote to the semi final. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so assuming all these conditions, tell me, so my first question is this: what is the number of matches in the tournament? What is the number of matches in the tournament? What is the number of matches in the tournament? Okay, what is the number of matches in the tournament? Yeah, so you can see a perfect question here. Okay, you can see a perfect question here. Okay, let's see how many of you got the, okay, all right, so I can see couple of answers here. Sanjay got one answer. Okay, yeah, Sanjay got 45, Rahul got 9 factorial plus 3, Chandru got 45. Okay, Sanjay got 10C2, Suprita got 5049, Rahul got 45 plus 3, Sanjay got 45 plus 3. Okay, Vivek got 41. Okay, 41 in the league stage. Okay, Divyanshu got 45 plus 3. Suprita, again, she changed her answer, 45 plus 3. Okay. Okay. So guys, tell me what's going to be the answer. What's going to be the answer? Because I'm getting, different, variety of questions. Yes, how actually I can solve that. Okay. Guys, what is my first question, guys? My first question is, how many in that whole tournament, how many matches is going to play? A lot of people think that how many teams are there? 10 teams. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 10 teams are there. Tell me, what is the point? In the league stage, every team plays against every other team exactly once. Which means, tell me, A team will play how many matches? A team will play how many matches, ma? A team will play how many matches? Come on. ఇప్పుడు ఇది మిగతా అందరితో గేమ్ ఆడాలి కదా. సో ఏ టీమ్ హ్యాస్ టు ప్లే విత్ ద అదర్ టీమ్స్. సో హౌ మెనీ అదర్ టీమ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 9. సో ఏ టీమ్ హ్యాస్ టు ప్లే 9 matches. B also will play. B has to play with the remaining other teams. So B has to play 9 matches. That's why a lot of people think that, Arey Baba, there are 10 teams and each team is playing with the other team. So 9 times. So they will say, some people will say the answer is 90. This is where a lot of people commit a mistake. Okay, so 9 and 9. Okay, so the point is this. If the match is between A and B, if the match is between A and B, you are calculating once and you are calculating here also once. Okay, which means you are calculating twice. You are calculating twice. So these 90 are what? Twice the matches. The 90 are what? Twice the matches. If you want the actual number of matches in the league stage, 90 by 2. 90 by 2 is what? 45 matches. Is your answer is 45? Not really. What is your answer? Answer is 45 plus 2 plus 1. Why plus 2? Plus 2 is for what? Plus 2 is for what, everybody? Plus 2 is in the semi-final stage. There are 2 matches and in the final, there is 1 match. So the total actual answer for the question is what? 48 matches. Okay. In the tournament, they're supposed to play how many matches? 48 matches. This is one way of solving the question. The other way is this. The other way is this, so A already played 9 matches with the other teams. Okay. So now B will play how many matches with the other teams? Because already you have counted AB match already. So B, how many matches it will play? 8 matches. C already, B and C already counted. So 7 matches, 6 matches, 5 matches, 4 matches. Okay. 3 matches, 2 matches, 1 match. Because already between I and J, 1 match is done. Okay. So you have to add all the numbers. Okay. So you have to add all the numbers. This is nothing but sum of n numbers, no? By using the sum of n numbers, you can get your answer. Okay, you can get your answer. Got my point? You can add everything and you can get your answer. N into n plus 1 by 2. So 9 into 10 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. So that will give you 9 fives are 45 in the league stage. This is another way of solving. Okay, this is the second way of solving. The third way. Okay, this is the second way of solving. The third way is this, everybody. Look at here. Total, how many teams are there? 10 teams. If a match want to be happen, if a match want to be happen, tell me, if a match want to be happen, okay, if a match want to be happen, how many teams are required? How many teams are required? Come on. 2 teams. So out of 10, you need to select 2 teams. No, that is nothing but 10C2. How do you calculate 10C2? 10 into 9 by 1 into 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are 9 fives are 45 in the league stage, 2 semi-final and 1 final. That will give you 48 as your answer. So I am giving you, because I am giving you the knowledge of doing so many ways. You have to understand and you have to apply whenever it is required. Okay, so am I clear with this question, everybody? Am I clear with this question? Am I clear with this question? Am I clear with this question? I want a couple of replies in the live chat so that I will ask you next question, which is interesting. Ma, have we discussed this question previously? ఎప్పుడైనా డిస్కస్ చేశాను ఈ క్వశ్చన్ నేను by any chance? No, right? No. Then it's going to be quite interesting. Okay. So my next question is this. That's going to be interesting. Okay. My next question is this. The question goes like this. Listen carefully. What is the minimum number of points? I'll write it here for you. What is the minimum number of points? What is the minimum number of points with which a team can reach semifinals? Okay. With what minimum number of points with a team can reach the semifinals? What is the minimum number of points so that the team can reach to the semifinals? Yeah. Okay. No, tell me one thing. No, R is not the case. Okay, it's a minimum number means you have to tell me only one particular number. Because you have to eliminate all the test cases and you have to conclude with the artifact should come. You have to add all the dependencies. Yes, guys. Okay, 8, 10, 9, 14, 10. Yes. Okay. No one is right. Come on. Okay, 10 points, 8 points. Okay. Yes. Guys, okay. Let's see the solution. It's going to be quite interesting. Okay. And it's not surprising. You are missing that test case. That's it. Okay. You are missing the test case. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Please answer what I'm asking because your time is up. Okay. Your time is up. There are a couple of interesting questions. Okay. This is one of them. Okay. Please answer. Yes, guys. I'm so sorry. So there are 10 teams, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, there are 10 teams. Tell me, let's say the first 4 teams are best performer teams. So that's why they will definitely get into a semi-final zone. Correct? So what is your question, guys? What is your question? What is the minimum number of points with which a team can enter into the semi-final, right? So tell me, which means I have to take, let's say A is the best team, B is the second best team, C is the third best team, and D is the fourth best team. Okay, so which means if I want the minimum, so this D has to be minimum, no? When always remember, when something has to be minimum, ఇది మినిమం రావాలంటే ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని మాక్సిమం చేయాలి. సో టెల్ మీ, టోటల్ ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా ఇన్ ద లీగ్ స్టేజ్? టోటల్ హౌ మెనీ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? హౌ మెనీ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? కమ్ ఆన్, in a league stage, how many points are there? Because total 45 matches and every match 2 points will be there. So total number of points are 90. Correct? Total number of points are 90. Now tell me, A can make maximum how many points? Idi maximum points రావాలంటే A has to win every match. A has to win every match. So A will maximum అవ్వాలంటే A has to win every match and 18. So now B maximum points are how many? Don't say again 18. No, that's not possible because A is winning all the matches, which means between A and B also A1. So now B maximum are how many? 16. How about C? Yeah. How about C? 14. How about D? How about D? 12. Like that, people will assume and they'll end up with the wrong answer. This is where you have to understand. So tell me, out of 90 points, ABC got how many points? Out of 90 points, ABC got how many points? Tell me, come on. Out of 90, ABC got how many? 48. So remaining points are how many? If ABC got 48, so remaining are 90 minus 48. What is 90 minus 48? Yeah, 90 minus 48 is what? 42. 90 minus 48 is what, guys? 42. How many teams I left with? How many teams I left with? Come on, how many teams I left with? Because we are interested in 7 teams, right? Can you divide 42 with 7? How many points they'll get? 6 points. ఇప్పుడు ఈ అన్ని టీమ్స్ కి నేను 6 పాయింట్స్ ఇస్తున్నా. అన్ని టీమ్స్ కి నేను ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ 6 పాయింట్స్. ఓకేనా? If I am giving 6 points, D is having with a better run rate. So we are here. Please concentrate on the points, not on the teams. Okay. So if D had better run rate, okay, that will get into the semi-final. No, that will get into the semi-final, which means what? So what are the minimum points to get into the semi-final? If you got 6 points also, you can get into the semi-final. So whenever you want the maximum, I mean minimum, so remaining the maximum jayala. When you are doing remaining maximum things, your job would be a cakewalk, guys. Okay, your job would be a cakewalk. Okay. So this is how you can actually solve it. Okay, this is how you can actually solve it. Okay. So the minimum points to entering into the semi-final is what? Yeah, the minimum is going to be 6 points. You can make a semi-final thing. ఎందుకంటే వీళ్ళందరూ గెలుస్తున్నారు, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, వీళ్ళకి ఎవరికైతే బెటర్ హండ్రెడ్ ఉంటుందో దే కెన్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు సెమీఫైనల్. ఓకే, అండ్ హౌ టు గెట్ 42 డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్? డెఫినెట్లీ ఫోర్త్ బెస్ట్ టీమ్ నుంచి ఇవన్నీ టీమ్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? 7 teams. So what is 7C2 ma? What is 7C2? Come on. What is 7C2? 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 7 3s are 21. అంటే ఈ టీమ్ మధ్యలో 21 మ్యాచెస్ జరుగుతాయి. సో 21 మ్యాచెస్ అండ్ ఈచ్ మ్యాచ్ దే విల్ సెక్యూర్ 2 పాయింట్స్. సో 21 into 2 is what 42. So divide this 42 equally and which is having a better run rate, they will get it. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So that's the thing. Okay. So if you're done with this, we can go ahead with the next question. Come on. Okay. Finished? Done? Guys, I want a quick reply in the live chat. Okay. My next question is this. Let's see how many of you will solve this. Okay. How many of you will solve this? What is the maximum number of points? What is the maximum number of points that a team can score and still fail to reach semi-finals? Okay. So same data. Question ఏంటంటే what is the maximum number of points that a team can score and still fail to reach the semi-finals? Okay na? So ఒక టీమ్ కి maximum వచ్చి okay. Yeah. So still to reach the semi-final. So what is the maximum number of points that a team can score and still fail to reach the semi-final? Maximum. Think about maximum, okay? Not minimum. Think. I am giving 2 minutes. थोड़ा सोच के बोलना. Guys, no one got it right as of now. No one got it right. Guys, think about it. What is the maximum number of points that a team can score still fail to reach the semi-final, which means the fifth best team? Okay. So think of fifth best team. Yes, guys. What is the answer? No, no, no. Still, you guys are making the wrong thing. This is what you need to understand, guys. This is where your programming skills will come into the picture. Okay. You are missing, you will write all the test cases, but still you are missing one test case. Okay. This is the thing. Okay. So shall I? You want me to explain? Come on, guys. Come on. Okay. Okay. See, there are how many teams are there? 10 teams. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So tell me, suppose this is the first best team, second best team, third best team, fourth best team, and fifth best team. So what is your question? Here, this team has maximum points and still not getting into the semi-final. Okay, still not getting into the semi-final. So you have to make this value as maximum. So let's do this case. Tell me, guys. Okay, forget about these 5 teams and only think of these 5 teams. Total, how many points are available? 90. Tell me, how many matches is going to happen between only these teams? Only E teams madhyalo any matches jarugutayi cheppandi? Only E teams madhyalo how many matches is going to happen? That is, any matches jarugutayna, which is 5C2 ante 10 matches kada. Ante any points ki jarugutadamma? Any points ki jarugutadi? 20 points ki jarugutadi. Ante ee 20 points only ee 5 teams ke vastayi kadamma. This 20 points definitely awarded to these 5 teams only. That is for sure, right? Out of 90 points, 20 points వీళ్ళకి వస్తున్నాయంటే మిగిలిన 70 points ఈ టీమ్ కి వస్తున్నట్టే కదా దాని అర్థం. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? మిగిలిన 70 points ఈ టీమ్ కి వస్తున్నట్టే కదా. ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్? How many teams we have here? How many teams we have here? 5 teams. Can you distribute this 70 to 5? What is the points they are getting? 14 points. Let's award 14 points to each and every team. Okay na? ఇప్పుడు 14 points each and every team ki. ఎందుకంటే is there any clause that team has to get equal? No. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే the logic is this. Because of this particular thing only every question is made, if you understood. A had better run rate than B, B had better run rate than C, C had better run rate than D, D has better run rate than E. If E got the maximum points also, still not making into semi-finals because of the run rate. So what is the maximum? Because you have to make maximum. దీనికంటే maximum చేయలేరు మీరు. Okay na? So what are the maximum points that can be done? 14. Okay, 14. 14 is the maximum. 14 is the maximum points, a team is awarded, still it's not making the things into the semi-final because of the run rate. Okay, because of the run rate. Got it? Fifth, I wait a minute. The 5th position is because of net run rate and team lost 3 matches. First match won and second match. Okay. See, Divyans, it's all about not winning, not losing, not tying. We are concentrating on the point called one team is getting maximum number of points and still not making into the semi-finals, which means what you need to understand, you have to award maximum. ఎంత possible అవుతే అంత possible of maximum ని మీరు award చేయాలి 5th team కి. Okay na? So that is applicable when you are giving that 70 points to each team equally. Okay, because of the run rate issue, you can make this question. Okay. If run rate was not there, you can't create this question also. Okay, because a lot of possibilities will come, because some matches may tie. If tie in a match, pratidi cheskuntu kuchunte, you will not able to solve this question. That's the logic. Okay. Yeah. Got it? Got it, everybody? Finished? Okay. Yeah. So now, okay, my next question is this. I want you to solve this question. My next question is this. My next question is this. Find out Krishna, I'll answer your question. Find out the minimum number. Find out the minimum number of points. Minimum number of points that a team should target. A team should target. Okay, a team should target so that its place in semi-final is guaranteed. Place in semi-final is guaranteed. Okay, guaranteed. Vamshi, 90 is the total number of points, Vamshi, because in the league stage 45 matches avutayi kada, oka match ki 2 points kada, so that's why 90 points ante. Okay, now what is the minimum number of points that a team should target so that its place in the semi-final is definitely guaranteed? Guarantee avvalante any points undala, because guarantee is different with run rate is different. So soch ke bolna answer. Yes, guys, what is the answer? Rahul, you are right. Rahul, you are right. Don't do errors, okay? Don't do errors. Don't do errors. మా ఇంతకు ముందే కదమ్మా ప్రతి మ్యాచ్ కి 4 టీమ్స్ కి 5 టీమ్స్ కి ABCDEలో వీటన్నిటికి 14 ఇచ్చినాం కదా. అంటే ఇక్కడ పాసిబిలిటీ ఉందా అమ్మ? డెఫినెట్ గా వెళ్తాయని, బికాస్ దే రీచ్డ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ది రన్ రేట్. నౌ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గ్యారంటీ ఇట్. మరి గ్యారంటీ అవ్వాలంటే మినిమం పాయింట్స్ ఎన్ని రావాలి? కమాన్, 14 వస్తే వెళ్తారా? గ్యారంటీ లేదు కదా. నో, దెర్ ఈస్ నో గ్యారంటీ, రైట్? గ్యారంటీ వాజ్ నాట్ దేర్. Again 15 is the one point more than 14 is right. 15 is the minimum marks, right? Because one match may tie. Got my point, everybody? Got my point, because the 14 you can't guarantee because of the run rate you are getting into the semi-finals. So the point is what here? 15. By using because one more than 14, that will definitely so the minimum is what? 15, guys. 15 is the minimum thing. Okay. Right. Last and final question. That's what the thing. That's what the thing, Sanjay. So 15 is the minimum thing. They'll definitely get into the semi-finals. If other team also got 15, that is also coming to the semi-final, no? Sir, what all teams win 5 each. 5 teams win అయితే ప్రతి టీం కి ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ వస్తాయమ్మా? 10 అంతేనా? సాగర్, ప్రతి టీం కి 10 పాయింట్స్ వస్తాయి కదమ్మా, అవునా? ప్రతి టీం కి 10 పాయింట్స్ వస్తే విచ్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ద బెటర్ రన్ రేట్ దట్ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద సెమీఫైనల్స్. దాంట్లో ఏముంది, ఎవరికి బెటర్ రన్ రేట్ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు వెళ్తారు సెమీఫైనల్ కి. ఓకేనా? సో వీఆర్ నాట్ హియర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ది నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాచెస్. ఓకేనా? బికాస్ నువ్వు టై గురించి మాట్లాడలేదు కదా. విన్ అవుతున్నాయంటే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ లోనే వస్తుంది, ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఎక్కడ నుంచి వస్తుంది? నో, దట్స్ వాట్ ద థింగ్. ఇది నీ కేసు, దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ కేస్. నువ్వు 5 మ్యాచెస్ అని స్పెసిఫై చేస్తున్నావు. ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ రైట్. That is one of the possibility. We have to check for the maximum or minimum. No, that's the thing. This is your case. Please mind it. Sagar, ఇది నీ కేసు. దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ జనరల్ కేస్. నువ్వు ఇట్లనే ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు. 5 మ్యాచ్ అందరు గెలిస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. ఓకేనా? అందరూ 5 మ్యాచెస్ గెలవాలని రూల్ లేదు కదా. ఓకే, రైట్, రైట్. ఓకే, నౌ ద లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Last question is this, guys. What is the minimum? What is the minimum number? What is the minimum number of wins? What is the minimum number of wins? Okay, with the minimum number of wins with which a team can win the tournament. Okay, tournament. What is the minimum number of wins? ఒక టీమ్ కి ఎంత వీలైతే అంత మినిమం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ విన్స్ వచ్చి and the team is winning the tournament. So what is the number of wins is the question. So I am giving 2 minutes. Let's see how many of you will solve this. That's why I ask you to think, Rahul, you're right. Only Rahul got it. I'm waiting for who is going to give the answer. Rahul got it. This is where your test cases knowledge will come into the picture. Yes. Okay, guys. Again, a lot of people think that 6 points, 8 points, 8 wins, 6 wins, 20 wins. Okay. This is what you need to understand, everybody. This is what you need to understand, everybody. Yeah. This is what you need to understand, everybody. So, guys, tell me, this is not going to be possible in normal world, but theoretically, it's going to be possible. Practically, it is not possible. Okay, practically, it is not possible. Guys, in the league stage, every match is tied. In the league stage, we are not talking about the points here. We are talking about the matches here. That's what you need to understand. In the league stage, every match is tied. Okay, in the league stage, every match is tied. I hope you understood. League stage lo anni matches tie అయిపోతే 0 matches win కదమ్మా. Yes or no? Win అవ్వట్లేదు కదా ఎవరు. We are talking about the minimum number of wins we need. సో అప్పుడు టై మాక్సిమం చేయాలా. సో అన్ని మ్యాచెస్ టై అయిపోతే 0 ఎవరు గెలవలేదు పాయింట్స్. ఓకేనా. సో ఎవరు విన్ అవ్వలేదు. సో 0 విన్స్. అప్పుడు సెమీఫైనల్ ఒకటి గెలిచేసి ఫైనల్ ఒకటి గెలిచేస్తే వాడికి టోర్నమెంట్ వచ్చేసినట్టే. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? దట్స్ ఇట్ గైస్. అండర్స్టూడ్ ద థింగ్. అన్ని మ్యాచెస్ టై అయిపోయినాయి అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, అప్పుడు 0 మ్యాచెస్ ఎవరు విన్ అవునట్టే. సో ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాచెస్ 1 వాజ్ 0. ఓకేనా. Because of the run rate, Vivek. Because of the run rate. My question anta base in the run rate paina, if you understood. That's what yes is. Then how you decide 4 teams in semi-final? Because of the run rate. That's what I'm talking about. Tie means 0 run rate na sir. Who told that, Sanjay? Tie means 0 run rate. మా ఇప్పుడు మ్యాచ్ టై అయితే పాయింట్స్ షేర్ అవుతాయి. రన్ రేట్ ఈస్ అకార్డింగ్ టు హౌ దే స్కోర్డ్, హౌ దే పర్ఫార్మ్డ్. ఓకే, got it. We have to consider run rate till the league stage only. We have to consider the run rate in the league stage only, because in the semi-final and match, somebody has to win the game. Okay, that's the beauty of the question. Okay, because I think this question might have changed the thought process of your thinking today. That's why I come up with this question, everybody. Okay, because sometimes you have to know these kind of scenarios in your life, because you will think that whatever you will feel that is correct. So you supposed to know a lot of things in your life. Okay, you just started. Okay, so my advice is this. I began, I don't want to discuss the other things also today. Yeah, this is what your thought process. Okay, this is not about the question, it's about everything. It's about everything, guys. Okay. Okay, so understood all the 5 questions with this data. Okay, so guys, take the screenshot of this question if you don't have. Okay, take the screenshot and try to do one more time. We have little questions. Try to do one more time so that you will get a clarity. Okay, you will get a clarity. Yeah, guys, give me a minute. Okay. Yeah. So Tarun is asking, Tarun has raised a question. What is the, what will be the minimum total points for a team to win the game? Tell me, what is the total number of points? Minimum total number of points to win a game? It is obviously if every match is tied. Okay. So what is the minimum points a team is getting? 5. No, in the league stage you will get points. No, so don't take 2 + 2 4 and that is 5. No, that's where a lot of people will get confused. మా ఒక టీమ్ కి మినిమం ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ వస్తే సెమీఫైనల్ కి వెళ్తుందమ్మా? మనం ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చేసాం కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మినిమం పాయింట్స్ టు రీచ్ సెమీఫైనల్? 6. ఓకేనా? 6 points ప్లస్ 2 points ఇన్ ద సెమీఫైనల్ అండ్ 2 points ఇన్ ద ఫైనల్. ఎందుకంటే 6 కంటే ఇంకా తక్కువ మినిమం పాయింట్స్ అవడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు కదమ్మా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? 6 ఇస్ ద మినిమం. ఒక టీం విన్ అవ్వాలంటే 2 points సెమీఫైనల్ లో స్కోర్ చేయాలని, 2 points ఫైనల్ లో స్కోర్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ టై అవ్వడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో అప్పుడు ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ అవుతాయమ్మా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్స్? Come on guys, what is the point? 10 points. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's about this thing. That's about today's session, everybody. So yeah, so this is about the puzzle which we have solved today. Okay, all right. So yeah, so that's all my time today, guys. Thanks a lot for being in the session. I hope you loved this question. Okay, thanks for being in the session. Great day, everybody. Thank you.